Hello everyone, I'm Linda from Linda Z's Sewing Center in Arlington Heights, Illinois. That's a suburb right outside of Chicago, not too far from the airport. Many of you have probably heard about some of the exciting news that I'm going to share with you today, and I'm pretty excited, as you can tell. Brother is coming out with a brand new, top-of-the-line, wonderful new sewing machine. They've worked very hard at keeping it a secret. In fact, probably too hard, because we had a hard time getting any of this information I'm going to share with you. But at least I do have some wonderful, wonderful benefits that I can tell you about, and a fabulous package that you're just going to love. So again, you know what happens when Brother introduces something. They knock it out of the park, and let me tell you, they have done that. So here's what I can share with you. The machine has what I call industry-changing, and I mean unbelievable, revolutionary new things. This machine will have the largest, and as an embroiderer, a sewing person myself, I do quilting, and I do love to do some home deck. Embroidery and large sewing surface is really important to me. And of course, this is going to be bigger than anything we have right now. So that to me that was something that hit me right away that was going to be wonderful. Also, they have mentioned to us that there's going to be computing power that is new, that's bigger, better. In fact, I'm just surmising, but I'll bet you that your laptop is going to be slower than what this new machine is going to be. The machine is going to run quieter and faster than even the DreamMachine. So to me, that again is a huge, huge benefit. There will be designs that are going to be exclusive to Disney. Now you can tell by what I'm wearing that I do like Disney. And this little guy that's peeking out here, he is absolutely singing the praises of the new machine. He must know more about it than I do. The machine is going to be, like I said, revolutionary. And I just hope some of you are going to be able to come in and put your deposit down or call us, because we're taking these deposits before the Brother Convention, which starts on August 6th. So many of you know that this package that we have been talking about, if you've seen anything, it does end on August 5th. And we're trying to make sure that you know about it so that you can do this deposit. It's refundable, and you will be able to take advantage of all the wonderful packages that we have put together. So what are those packages? Do you want to know about them? Okay, I'm going to tell you that number one, if you put a $1,000 refundable deposit or a $500 deposit, you will get $7,000 worth of package-free items. And let me tell you what some of those are. You're going to get free embroidery software. Now, you might be saying, which I did right away, well, I already have software. But think about it. This is new embroidery software, and I guarantee you, you do not have it yet, and you're going to want it. You're going to get some stabilizer packages. You're going to get new embroidery thread sets. You're going to get a free trolley case that is customized just for this new machine. So that's important, because you might want to bring that trolley case along to guess what else we're giving you? 4 free events throughout 2019, 18, or 19. And those 4 events are going to include 2 Anita Good. And if you don't know what that is, you need to know, because they're wonderful embroidery parties. Or 2 Floriani events, which could include embellishment. It could include the all kinds of things that we do with Floriani. So that's an added $1,000. The amount that you choose, whether it be $1,000 or $500 for your deposit, you're going to get free fabric back. Now, yes, you heard me right. If you give a $1,000 deposit, you're going to get free fabric of $1,000. If you look behind me, and you can't see everything in here, we have over 7,000 bolts of fabric that are absolutely phenomenal. We carry every Kona solid that there is. Believe me, it will be easy to fill up your basket of free fabric, and I hope you're able to do that, because that offer is going to go away after August 5th. So if you don't want to do the $1,000, do 500, and you again will be able to see the machine, come in, check it out, and then you can decide, oh no, I don't want it, or of course I do want it, and then you'll get all those packages. So it's almost a no-brainer for anybody. Pick from our wonderful fabrics, pick all those wonderful things that I told you about. So to sum it up, those packages are going to go away after August 5th. Now, you'll be one of the very, very first ones to own the Rolls Royce. I call it the Rolls Royce, or the Mercedes Benz of the industry. You're going to get top dollar for your current machine. I know some of you have purchased machines this last year, and you say to me, because I've heard this when people have walked in the store, I didn't buy my machine from you. Don't worry about it. We'll adopt you. We want you coming here. We have got a wonderful, wonderful crew and staff and teachers, and I really want you to join us. I think you will love what we do. We're going to give you a free year membership to our embroidery club, included in all of those other features. We want you to come and learn how to use your machine. That's over and above the wonderful classes that we give that are unlimited, and all of our wonderful service staff. So call us now. You probably know our phone number, but I'll repeat it again. It's 847-394-4590. Or, you know what, stop in and have a chat, because I and Nikki would love to see you soon. Okay, thanks everyone.